Hello students, today we will solve question number 4 and 5 of exercise 6.1. And question number 4 is observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. As you can see here student, in first pattern 11 square equals to 121 as we know. In second step 101 square equals to 10201. You can multiply 101 by 101 and check, you will get 10201. And when 001 whole square equals to 1002001. As you can see here student, as the number of zeros between these two 1 are increasing in right hand side, between this 1 and 2 numbers are also increasing. Here is also number of zeros are 2, here is also number of zeros are 2. Let's see what will come in the next step. 4 times 0 1 square equals to 1 blank 2 blank 1. Now we have to find which number will come in this missing place. So student, here in the previous step there are two zeros, and between this 1 and 2 again there are two zeros. So similarly in this next step there are four zeros between these two 1. So between this 1 and 2 how many zeros will come? Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And same 4 zeros between this 2 and 1 also. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means same pattern you have to follow. There is 1 zero between 1 and 2. There is 1 zero on the both side. There are two zeros. Here is also there are two zeros. There are four zeros. So there are four zeros will come in between 1 and 2 and 2 and 1 also. In the next step, as you can see, there are 6 zeros between this 1 and 1. So complete number we have to write. So same pattern we have to follow. So 1, how many times we will apply 0 here? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then which number we will write? We will write 2. Then again we will write 6 times zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we will write 1. So student, very interesting pattern. Just you have to see the given pattern above given this fourth and fifth step, and according to this 1, 2 and 3 step just you have to fill the blanks. Okay. Similarly we will solve question number 5 also. Here also 11 square equals to 121, 101 square equals to 10201, and then 10101 whole square equal, as you can see, 102030201. It means in this number there are 3 times 1. So this number is proceeding up to 3. 10, 20, 30. Then in decreasing order 02 and 01. Okay student, it means this number is first increasing up to 3 and then decreasing up to 1. So next step, in next step what we will write in this blank place? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ones. So what we will write? We will proceed up to 4. Then we will decrease up to 1. 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0. Then decrease 3, 0, 2, 0, 1. Is it okay student? Now look at this right hand side. This number is proceeding 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0 and then decreasing 4, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1. It means up to which number this is proceeding? Up to 5. So how many times 1 we will write here? Yes, 5 times, and every between 2, 1 we will put 1 0. Because we have to follow the same pattern. 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay student, very simple and interesting pattern. Just you have to see the given pattern, and after that you have to fill the blanks. Similarly we will complete question number 6 pattern also. First step, 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equal 3 square. Then 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square equals 7 square. Now you have to correlate the relationship between first and second step. Okay student, As I am seeing here, 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equal 3 square. If 2 is coming here, so next number 3 is coming here. In next step, after 1 what is coming here? 2, and after 2 what is coming here? 3. But what is the relationship between these? According to these two numbers, how we can find this? When we multiply this 1 by 2, we will get 2. Similarly, 2 3s are 6, and after 6 which number will come? 7. Same process, 3 square plus 4 square, and 3 4s are 12 square, and after 12 which number will come? 13. Okay, then 4 square plus 5 square, which number will come here, student? 4 5s are 20, and after 20 which number will become? 21. It means this number is also following the same pattern. Next step, 5 square plus blank plus 30 square plus 31 square. It means after 30 31 will come. So this one is correct. But which number? By 5 which number we will multiply to get 30? Yes, 6. 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6. 5 6 are 30, and after 30 31 will come. Then 6 7s are 42, and after 42 which number will come? 43. It means you have to use your logical mind, student. Just follow the pattern and fill the blanks. Question number 7. Without adding, find the sum. As you can see here, student, in first, all the numbers are your odd numbers. 1 2 3 and consecutive odd numbers 1 3 5 7 and 9. How many odd numbers are here? 1 2 3 4 5. As we learned in online class also, student, when we add consecutive odd numbers, how many odd numbers we are adding here? 5. So sum of this, no need to add this, just you can write 5 square, and as we know 5 square will equals to 25. You can add this and check this also, but directly you can write 5 square equal 25. Now in next question, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are 10 odd consecutive numbers. We have to add this, so directly we can write 10 square, and addition will be 10 square, it means 100. Okay, similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. There are 12 odd numbers we have to add here, so addition will be 12 square, and as we know the square of 12 is your 144. This one is very interesting formula, student. Directly, no need to add this much of numbers, directly you can apply this formula. Just you have to add there are how many odd numbers and to the power 2. Okay. Question number 8 is express, first part, express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. You have to express 49 as 7 odd numbers. As we saw in question number 7 also, student, same process you have to apply here. 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So start adding 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 more we have to take. 11 plus 13. Let's check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And what will be the addition? 7 square, and we will get as 40. 7 7s are 49. So 49 can be expressed as the sum of 7 odd numbers as 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Similarly, we will simplify second one also. In second question, we have to express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So what we will write? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. After that 15, then 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and 11 square. Answer will be 121. You can check your answer by adding all this number, but no need to add, student, because this one is your shortcut method and you have to keep in your mind. directly. Just you have to write 7 square, 11 square. Okay. Question number 9 is how many numbers lies between squares of the following numbers? And first is your 12 and 13. As we learned, student, there is a shortcut formula. There are 2n numbers between n square and n plus 1 square. This property we learnt already. So same property we have to apply here, student. There are 2n numbers between n square and n plus 1 square. So here the value of n is 12 and the value of n plus 1 is your 13. So between 12 square and 13 square, 2 into n, in place of n what we will substitute? 12. Between 12 square and 13 square there are 24 numbers. Okay student. Similarly we will simplify next one also. Second, 25 and 26. Now we have to take 25 and 26. So student, here the smaller number is 25 and same formula 2n, 2 into 25, what we will get? 50. It means between 25 square and 26 square there are 50 numbers. Similarly, you have to simplify third one by your own. With this, your exercise 6.1 is completed, student. Thank you.